Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable logging in with Google on GoDaddy. This is very useful if you want a faster and more secure way to access your account. We will guide you through the process. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Next, once you're on the dashboard, click the small arrow beside your profile picture. Then, from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. After that, look at the left sidebar and select the Security section. Then, scroll down to the Social Login section and click on it. Next, find the Google option and click on Enable to allow Google login for your account. After enabling it, you will be asked to choose the Google account you want to use for logging in. Finally, select the desired Google account, and your account will now support Google Login. This makes logging in faster and keeps your account more secure. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.